Welcome all students to Original Engineering and Science Academy channel. You subscribe the channel and follow the more videos so that you must be competitive, perfect in the mathematics. So last lecture we have studied some mathematical operations, that is matrix algebra. Now today next mathematical operations we will study. So determinant of matrix. So determinant of matrix means what? If A is square matrix, then its determinant, that is determinant A is determinant of matrix. Now here some properties we are getting. So if determinant A equal to 0, so if the value of determinant is coming 0, then A is scalar matrix, and if determinant A not equal to 0, then A is if determinant A is equal to 0, then A is singular matrix, and if determinant A not equal to 0, then A is non-singular matrix. So from the determinant of matrix we are getting two types. If determinant A is 0, then A is singular matrix, and if determinant A not equal to 0, then A is non-singular matrix. Seventh mathematical operation, transpose of matrix. Transpose of matrix. So transpose of matrix means what? Matrix obtained by interchanging rows and columns. Obtained by interchanging rows and columns. So if we interchange rows and columns of the matrix, then the matrix obtained is called transpose of that matrix, and it is denoted by A transpose. Now here from this transpose we are getting the two types of the matrices. So properties. If A equal to A transpose, then A is symmetric matrix. If A is equal to minus A transpose, this then A is non-symmetric, it was skew symmetric matrix. So it is denoted by A dash or AC or A transpose or A star. So for example, A is equal to, if you consider matrix A B C H G F H G F, A transpose is equal to, so this rows will write as a column, so A H G H B F, now third row as the third column G F C. So here if we observe the elements of A and A dash, all the elements are same. Therefore A is equal to A dash. So since A is equal to A dash, therefore A is symmetric. Now suppose if we consider A is equal to matrix 0 Hg minus H minus G 0 minus F and 0, and if we find A dash, so we get 0 Hg, the rows will write as columns, so minus H 0 F and minus G minus F 0. Now if you take the minus sign outside from all the elements, so minus 0 Hg minus H 0 F minus G minus F and 0. So this is minus A. So A dash is equal to minus A. A dash is equal to A is symmetric. Therefore A is skew symmetric. Matrix. Third property we get A transpose of transpose, that is equal to, its that matrix A itself. A transpose of transpose is equal to A. A into A transpose is equal to, suppose I, then if A into A transpose is equal to I, then A is orthogonal matrix. So these are some properties of the transpose of the matrix. One more property again we get this here. If that is every square matrix, can be expressed as sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrices. So very important property. Example can be based on this property. That is, A is suppose square matrix. So A is equal to, we can write 1 upon 2 A plus A dash plus 1 half A minus A dash. So this first matrix is the symmetric. We are getting symmetric matrix. And the second matrix we are getting skew symmetric. They are giving in example any square matrix, and they are asking express the matrix as the sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrices. In that case, this formula you keep in the mind, that is important. But the next operations are very simple. seventh operation, which is trace of matrix. So trace of the matrix means sum of diagonal elements. So A is equal to, suppose if you consider 2, 5, 6 matrix, 3, 2, 1, you consider again square matrix here 4, 5, 6. And if they are asking what is the trace of this matrix, so trace of A equal to 2 plus 2 plus 6. So you do the addition of these principal diagonal elements. So that is equal to 10. Adjoint of matrix. So when you want to find the adjoint, what is the procedure you give? So let A equal to any square matrix. Find A transpose, that is you find the transpose of matrix. Find transpose. Now adjoint A is equal to matrix of Cij in A transpose, determinant A transpose. So write determinant A transpose as. So this is the first step, second step, third step, fourth step. Adjoint is equal to here again write A is small letters. A is A, adjoint A is equal to matrix Cij in determinant A transpose. Here Cij is equal to cofactor minus 1 raised to I plus j into Mij. Mij is equal to minor of Aij. So ijth elements minors. Already we have studied how we find the cofactors and minors in the determinant. So this procedure, and always when you are finding the adjoint, you write this formula and then you find the adjoint in examples. Now we'll understand with the example how we find adjoint of matrix. So find adjoint of matrix A matrix, so 1, 2, 5, 4, 2, 1, 3, 2, 7. So this square matrix is given to you. You want to find the adjoint of this matrix. So solution, you keep the procedure in the mind and solve. So first you indicate this matrix as A, B, any capital. So let A is equal to given matrix 1, 2, 5, 4, 2, 1, 3, 2, 7. Now you write transpose of that. So interchange rows and columns. So 1, 2, 5, 4, 2, 1, 3, 2, 7. तर थोडक्यात झोपी गेलेला आहे त्याला उठवून उभा करायचं असं पद्धत रोजचं कॉलमचे रोज. Then you write determinant of A transpose because minors and cofactors are defined in determinant and not in matrix. So determinant 1, 4, 3, 2, 2, 2, 5, 1, 7. Now you write the formula of adjoint. So adjoint A is, so now this next step adjoint we are finding this. So adjoint A is equal to matrix of Cij in determinant A transpose, where Cij equal to minus 1 raised to I plus j into Mij. and Mij is equal to minor of Aij. So how to find these cofactors and the minors? Already we have studied in the determinant. The cofactors and minors are defined in the determinant, not in the matrix. So here adjoint A, therefore adjoint A is equal to. Now here we prepare bigger matrix. So this method is the speedy method. We are reducing the time of calculation. So here now 3 by 3 matrix. So for 3 by 3 matrix or 3 by 3 determinant, signs of the cofactors are alternatingly plus minus. 2 by 2 plus minus minus plus signs are coming. Reading, you know this the reading of the determinant as well as the matrices row wise. So plus, now you prepare here this determinant, that is to write the minor, then minus sign is coming. You want to write here determinant of order 2 plus determinant, then minus. So like this you prepare your pattern, and in that we will feed. So like this in the casting etc. process, we are preparing the mold, and in that we are pouring the metal. So same procedure we are following here. So mathematics is required engineering. So you use engineering in mathematics and mathematics in engineering. So okay, now this first minor you have to write signs we have decided here, plus minus plus alternating the signs for 3 by 3 determinant. So in determinant A transpose, now you will write the minor of 1. So eliminate row and the column of that one element. So remaining elements determinant, that is 2, 2, 1, 7. So you take this in pair in the mind and then write 2, 2, 1, 7. So 2, 2, 1, 7. So students, what is happening in this making the mistakes? They are writing 2. Then again they are coming this. So wastage of the time moving the movement. So you want to reduce the time of the movement also. So 4 elements if you consider. Now this first row, second column here. So remaining elements 2, 2, 5, 7. So 2, 2, 5, 7. Now 3 if you consider 2, 2, 5, 1. 2, 2, 5, 1. Now for this 2, 4, 3, 1, 7. So 4, 3, 1, 7. Now for this 2 elements, second row, second column was remaining elements 1, 3, 5, 7. 1, 3, 5, 7. Now for this 2, 1, 4, 5, 1. 1, 4, 5, 1. Now for 5 element, the minor is 4, 3, 2, 2. 4, 3, 2, 2. So your concept, row and column. Now 1 if you consider 1, 3, 2, 2. 1, 3, 2, 2. And for the 7, this column and rows 1, 4, 2, 2. So 1, 4, 2, 2. So like this carefully you write the minors, and now do the calculations of these 2 by 2 determinants. So that adjoint A is equal to, we get. Now here 2 into 7, 14. 14 minus 2. Product of this minus product of this posterior diagonal elements. So 14 minus 2, 12. Outside of this bracket positive sign. So 12. 14 minus 10. So 4 and I minus, so minus 4. 2 minus 10. So 2 minus 10 is minus 8. Outside bracket positive sign. So minus 8. 28 minus 3, 25 minus 25. 7 minus 15, so minus 8. Outside the bracket positive sign, so minus 8. 1 minus 20 minus 19, outside bracket minus, so minus minus plus 19. 4 into 2, 8. 8 minus 6, so 2 positive. 2 minus 6, so minus 4, and here minus, so minus minus plus 4. 2 minus 8, so minus 6, here positive, so minus 6. So this is the adjoint A. So this is the method to find adjoint of matrix. Now we stop here this lecture.